they're not gonna know this isn't my hair. Like, are you kidding? They know I take those gummies. They've seen them on my Instagram. Like, of course. Yes. It's okay. I got my baby hair snatched. Of course it looks natural. I mean, nobody is gonna know that this is a wig. Oh my god. Like, pink is my color. Like, where's my brush? Oh, it's pink. Like, all my followers are gonna be like totally out there on a hunt for some pink hair after this. Like, and Amazon better hurry up and stock up because those wigs are about to be sold out after I post this pic on my Insta. Like, oh my god, where's Mario? Like, I need more contour. Like, oh my god, tell him to hurry up so we can take this picture so I can get this wig off. My head is sweating. Why do they make the wig so heavy? I need my Starbucks. Where's my Starbucks? Somebody give me my Starbucks. I need my coffee. I'm so tired. Can they make synthetic wigs so they don't stick to your lip gloss? Who froze my coffee again? Like, I don't want my coffee to actually be ice. What do I pay you assistance for anyways? Like, do I have to do everything myself? Like, why am I so hungry? Like, all I do is eat. Who does Carly think she is? Like, you have a baby and you post a picture immediately after. Yeah, girl, like, we believe that your butt grew that much while you were pregnant. Like, who does she think she's even fooling? Like, oh my god. Like, I'm gonna look so good for this photo shoot. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, oh my god. Look at that butt. Like, it looks so good. Look at that. I love my hair just sits on my butt. Like, oh my god. Like, I look so good. Mom of 3. What? Like, oh my god. I need to get my doctor on the phone and tell him I need more injections. I'm not about to have baby cysts of me. Can we hurry up please and get this picture taken because I really want to take this wig off. Seriously, I think my hair follicles are dying under this thing. Could we please hurry it up? Like, oh my god. Ew. Of course I don't want to listen to Kanye's music. This stuff is garbage. Do support him. Yes, I spend his millions, don't I? That's what I call support. He is off his rocker again, honey. I'm gonna need front row seats to the Lakers game because I'm about to be freshly single and my Lees are gonna need a daddy. Oh my god. Like, I feel like such a pig. I used like my 5th salad today. And I'm just so hungry. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Like, I want to take a nap. That bite just literally exhausted me. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna be so big. Like, Kanye said I can only eat 200 calories a day. The only thing that's allowed to get big on me is my butt. He's gonna kill me when he finds out how many salads I've had today. Like, can we please hurry up? Like, seriously, my head is melting under here. I'm not gonna have a scalp left by the time we get this wig off. Oh. Not like Is that a spider? Oh my god, is that a spider? Oh my god. Where'd I go? Oh my god, yes. Kanye, I'm seriously about to light this house on fire. No, I just saw a spider. I don't even care. Just build me a new house because I'm lighting this one on fire. I'm not staying in this house with that spider. Well, screw that wig. We're not doing that. Give me a blonde wig. Give me that blonde wig. I want to piss Chloe off today. I think it's just a gift to like be able to pull off like any color. Like not everybody can do this, you know? I'm thinking about wearing like a little pop of color today. Like I'm feeling so sassy. So I think I'm totally gonna switch it up. Like wear a little bit of color. I think this shirt will too. Oh my god, like I'm gonna look so good today. Hey, welcome. So my name is Catherine with a K. Thank you for checking into my channel. It's called Oh Yes She Did. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and take a second, find that little button and tap it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get your little Kim K on. Remember when she came out with her pink wig? I mean, her natural hair. So I found this lovely synthetic wig on Amazon. It's so affordable. I will link it down below what I got exactly. And I'm just gonna show you how to pop it on in a couple different ways that you can wear it. What I do to make it look more natural. I'm absolutely obsessed with wigs. It is such a great way to change up your look without going bald. So, I literally love to change the color of my hair every single day, all the time. I, at one point, was literally putting bleach on my hair, I think like every day. So I had the bleach down and I said, let me just go ahead and get some wigs, try it out. So this was actually my very first wig that I've ever even attempted. And I fell in love with it. Absolutely fell in love. So if you want to know how I slayed it, keep watching. So 2 products that I use when I do wear my wigs. Bam. Right here. This is the Got To Be Ultra Glued, and this is the freezing spray. So I like these because they keep your wigs in place, but when you're ready to take your wig off, I get my hairline wet really good, and then it literally just slides right off. So it doesn't pull out your hair when you're taking off your wigs, because we don't need them bald edges. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to pull up to the seam with your edges missing. Unless you want to. But anyways, here's 2 products that I love. Don't I look cute with this? So cute. So I'm gonna show you how to put this wig on. How to transform yourself from bald-headed to Kim K. Alright, so first things first. You brush out your wig. Okay. Put your hair into your little cute stocking. What I like to do is put some bobby pins to secure it just a bit. And then I pull out my little baby hairs all the way around. Don't forget them edges. And then you take your wig stick it on there. And then it has a little hook in the back and you can hook it together and it tightens it. And I like to brush, brush, brush. And then I take my Got2b Ultra Glued and I put it on that stocking cap. And then you press it down really good. And then I like to go down my baby hairs. See, this wig is not a lace front, so you have to work a little bit harder at making it look natural. I like to take the Got2b freezing spray, and I like to get up in there and just freeze it all down. And I've even cut some of the edges on the hairline on the wig, so I like to lay those down too because it helps also make it look a little bit more realistic. And then if you want to do the middle part, you go ahead and you pluck these hairs and the hairline. Just use some concealer, so we'll just use, this is the LA Girl. Go. And then I like to go in with, I have an eyebrow powder. You can use anything that you want, but I like to go right along the edge of the wig, your hair, where your little wig cap is, and I like to make that dark too. So it makes it look a little bit more natural. And then to set everything down, once you've got your baby hairs laid down, your glue on there, you take your scarf and you just wrap it really tightly, and then you blow dry it, let it sit for a minute, and then when you take it off, now you're set and ready to go. And if you don't want to wear the middle part, like, you can move it around a little bit. And then you can use a headband too if you wanted to. And that's how you do it. And if you don't want to wear this, you can always go back to your scarf that you had, and you can use your scarf. There's many ways you can do it. You can do it like this. And you look fly as ever. Or If you feel like being big and cute, make yourself a big bow on top of your head. Make a little cute knot on there. Just don't forget to like pull out little hairs around your face, because it just makes it look a little bit more natural and like right along where your ear is. Give yourself kind of some little sideburns. And you are ready. You are ready for summer. You look so cute. Like, I absolutely love wigs. Like, it's become one of my newest obsessions. I love wigs. I love them. Because I'm a person that loves to change my look and my hair color constantly. So this is really nice because it's not damaging to your hair. You just put it on, and when you're done with it, you just pull it off. And you're back to normal. So yeah, thank you for watching.